All right, today we are talking about reinstalling the torque converter on a Subaru TR580. This is in a 2015 Crosstrek. Here is the torque converter. I have been struggling with this thing for like 2 days. Just did a chain cover, oil pump chain cover reseal right here. Went ahead and replaced the oil seal here, and I also wanted to replace this old O-ring here as well. Couldn't get the torque converter on at all. It would go in 2 steps and then it would just never quite meet the spec. You're supposed to be only 7 millimeters, 6.8 millimeters away from the front of the bell housing here. But I would spin it and it would just never go on. Well, turns out I was using the wrong size O-ring. Stock O-ring is 20.7 times 1.7 millimeters, and I was using one that was like 20.6 by 2.4. Just that little bit of extra width on the O-ring wouldn't let it slide all the way in. I bumped down to an 18.6 by 2.4, so it stretches a little bit, and the thing goes on like a dream. I'm going to show you here in just a second. All right, hopefully you can see me work here. So I've slipped it on already, and then I'm going to use my wrench here, and I'm just going to hold the nub with the end of this box wrench right here. We're going to spin it. So there's one, and I'm supporting the front end of it the best that I can. Applying just a little pressure to it. There's 2. I got it to go on 2-3 earlier. Sometimes you just got to back it out just a little bit, because the next thing that you're going to engage is the oil pump, and there's 2 little flats on the torque converter itself, but that oil pump will move just a little bit. Turn it, move it. Unfortunately, you can't see where the flats are. You can't even really feel them, but you can definitely feel when they're not. But you'll hear it go zip, just like that. There we go, and we're in. I'm going to show you the top of it here. All right, hopefully you can see that. So if you look back here, you'll see that's the edge, and you'll see it's up underneath there, and it's fully seated now. And so that's how you get that done.